Yeah, you can join now. You can see that the class you can attend now. You can join the link now. What I have shared the link, you can join. See, this is the last class when I discussed in the last class if a greater than 0, then integral 0 to infinity e power minus a cos bh dx is a by a square plus b square. And if a greater than 0, then e power integral 0 to infinity e power minus x sin bh dx equal b by a square plus b square. This is standard questions, you can solve this. Suppose if they are talking about the periodic function. So when considering the periodic function, just I will discuss one of the problem on periodic function. See that the problem I will discuss about the periodic function. You can consider, let f be a real valued function. About the periodic function, you can think about the let f be a real valued function. Let f be a real valued function. F be a real valued function satisfying f be a real valued function satisfying f be a real valued function satisfying one equation they are given, satisfying real valued function satisfying f of x, this is a given equation, f of x plus f of x plus 4, which is equal to f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 6. This is given equation. Real value satisfying this equation. Then they are asking prove that integral x to x plus 8 x to x plus 8 f of t dt, f of t dt is a constant function, is a constant function. They are asked to prove that it is a constant function. Constant, they are asking it is a constant function. You should prove that it is a constant function. And you can observe here when they are asking to prove that it is a constant function, the model is important here to understand this. Just I am explaining this problem here about the constant function. Just you can see that when they are talking about the constant function in this problem, especially to prove constant function, the limits x to x plus 8 f of t dt is a constant function. To prove constant function by the periodic function, I can replace integral x to x plus 8 will become, whenever the function is periodic with x plus 8, then it's a function is periodic with 8, then it can be written as integral 0 to 8 f of t dt. So the given function you can think, when the given function is this f of x plus 4, f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 6, this function, we should prove that it is a periodic function with period 8. So how can you decide the periodic function with period 8? So integral x to x plus 8, this 8 is the period of this function. Our aim is to prove f of x is equal to f of x plus 8. This is our aim to prove this. If I prove this, I can prove this is a constant function. How to do that? So just you think how to get x plus 8. How to get x plus 8? Replace x in the entire equation, replace x with x plus 2. If you replace x with x plus 2, so the given equation you can consider f of x plus 4, which is equal to f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 3. This is given equation. So this is our aim to prove. How? Because to prove constant, if I am able to prove f of t, or the function f of t is with period 8, I can say it is a constant function. So to replace x with x plus 2, this become f of x, correct? If I replace x with x plus 2, when I replace x with x plus 2, then you can see what you get now. If you replace x with x plus 2, f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 6. I am replacing with x plus 2. F of x plus 6, f of x plus 6 equal to f of x plus 4 plus f of x plus 8. This is equation 2. Now from 1 into 2, you observe here, from equations 1 into 2, I can simplify, you can see, from equations 1 into 2. If I add this one, add 1 plus 2. If you add 1 plus 2, then you can observe what do you get if you add 1 plus 2. If you add 1 plus 2, this side will become f of x plus f of x plus 4. Left hand side, f of x plus 2, f of x plus 6, which is equal to right hand side, f of x plus 2, f of x plus 6, x plus 6. Or I can equate these two, right? Instead of that, instead of adding from 1 into 2, I can say these two are equal, right? I think I can do that. Instead of doing this, also I can do that. Instead of doing this, can you say from 1 into 2? From 1 into 2, can I write f of x plus 4, because this left hand side equal to right hand side here is equal to, I can write f of x plus 4, f of x plus 8. Correct, I can write this from 1 into 2. This will be easy, right? You can write this now. So now I can do what I can do now here. I can eliminate this f of x plus 4. Finally I got f of x is equal to f of x plus 8. Correct, we got like this. So what is the meaning of this? When I got like this, so f of x equal to f of x plus 8, correct? Now you can see this. Yeah, then I can say f is a periodic function equal to f of x plus 8. F is a periodic function with period 8. F is a periodic function. F is a periodic function with the period t. With the period 8 here, with the period 8. F is a periodic function with period 8. So this is important here, with period 8. Remember here, with period 8. Then I told here with period 8. This is period 8. So then, now using the property of this one, what is the given problem? Integral x to x plus 8 f of t dt will become, since the function is periodic with period 8, so by the property of this periodic function, this will become integral 0 to 8 f of t dt. So when x plus 8, I can write integral 0 to 8. Not here written infinity, I am going to change now. Integral 0 to 8, this will become f of t dt. So definitely 0 to f of t dt gives a number, finite number, it gives a finite number. So that is the reason I can say this is constant function. So we will get like this, f of dt. Therefore f is a constant function. I got like 0 to 8, f of dt. Therefore f is a constant function. This is the concept of this. Correct, I can write here f is a constant function. Right. Therefore f is a constant function. Correct? F is a constant. So this, I have proved this one. Again you can see that the given equation is given. When the given equation is f of x plus 4 equal to f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 6. This is x plus 4. Just you observe f of x plus 4 equal to f of x plus 2 f of x plus 6. Prove that integral x to x plus 8 f of t dt is a constant function, x plus 4. Alright. F of x plus 4 equal to f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 6. So I have taken this equation, replace x with x plus on both the sides, then we get this, let it be 2. From 1 into 2 I can write, see, when I have written this, I can write from 1 into 2, I can conclude that. Correct. Now from 1 into 2, I will get f of x plus 8. So f is a periodic function with period 8. Integral x to x plus f of t will become 0 to at f of t dt. So it gives a constant value. So f is a constant function. Correct? We have done this right. See the next problem. Now we'll do the next problem. We'll solve now. Right. Integral. Try to do the similar problems now. They are the most important problems. Right. Integral 2 to pi. Another problem. Integral 2 to pi. Integral 2 to pi. Integral 2 to pi. 1 by log x. 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square dx. They are given like this. 2, they are given integral 2 to pi 1 by log, they are given not 2 but 2, this is 2 to e. 2 to e, integral 2 to e 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square is given. Integral 2 to e. Yes, integral 2 to e 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square. So when they are given, this is the problem. Now you can think this simple problem here. You take log x is equal to t. The base will be e. So x is equal to e power t. Dx will become e power t dt. Correct? X equal to e power t, dx is equal to e power t dt. When I have taken limits, when I convert in terms of t, so then when x is equal to t, then t equal to log 2 base e. Correct? If we change this, when x is equal to, because they have written x is equal to e power, I can also write here, when x is equal to 2, so 2 means log 2, x is equal to log 2 base e. Then when x is equal to e, when x is equal to, if you substitute x is equal to e, t will become log e base e will be 1. That will be the, like all the limits I can change. So now, I can write the limits now. If I change the limits, you can see what it comes now. The limits, what do you get if we change the limits now? So the limits, if we change this, it comes here. This is log 2 base e integral 2 means log 2 base e to the base 1 by t, correct, 1 by t minus 1 by t square e power t dt. Dx means e power t dt. But we know that one formula, just remember the formula. Integral, what is that formula? Just remember that formula. Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. If it is like this, our answer is e power x into f of x plus c. Generally, without limit, this one in a indefinite integrals, right? E f of x plus c. Same thing. Derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. D by dt of 1 by t minus 1 by t square. Following this formula, I can write this one e power t into 1 by t. Limits I can apply log 2 base e to 1. In the place of t, we can apply this, right? If I apply the limits, this will become, I can write e power 1 by 1 will get e minus upper, this is lower limit. So upper limit is lower limit, e power t. So replace log 2 base e power log 2 base e by log 2 base e in the place of t. But we know the property, m to the power of log a base m, it will be a. You remember this, using this will become e minus, this is log 2 base e means according to this will become a means this will be 2 by log 2 base e. I can write like this is your answer. E minus, I can write e minus 2 log 2 base e. Upper limit minus lower limit. Correct, you will get log 2 base e. Correct, this is your answer, right? So you can stop here. The people, if you take it up, you can stop here. Some people, they can also write my u minus 2 into, if you take it up, this will become log e base 2. This is also correct. This is the important model. I hope you understood this right. Model is, that is important. That is important model. I hope you understood that. If you have doubt, you can ask me, I can explain. Just concept is that. So the next problem. If you are doing the next problem, you can write here. Next. The problem is they are talking about this one. Right. Integral 1 to 3. Integral 1 to 3. Integral 1 to 3. 1 to 3. 1 by root of x minus 1 into 3 minus x dx. This answer. X minus 1 into 3 minus x dx. What about this answer? This options is given pi, minus pi, pi by 2, and they are given 0. This remember, that's one of the concepts you remember. Easily you can write your answer. The simple concept if you remember, you can write your answer. Just think about the concept. What way we can consider the concept? You can tell the answer here directly. 1 by root of. So you remember the thing. I will tell you the simple concept. We have discussed about that. Suppose integral a to b 1 by root of. Just you remember this. X minus a into b minus x dx. Anyone? Can you remember this value? So check that. This if it is like this. So what about this value dx? That I have written here, this is a dx. What about this value? Check anyone, can you tell that value? Integral a to b 1 by root of x minus a into b minus x dx. What about that value? Anyone in the chat box? Let me know that value. Can you discuss? Let me single answer. Right. Can you tell that? Anyone in the chat box? That is an important problem. Integral a to b 1 by root of x minus a into b minus x dx. So this answer is always, this is pi, standard one. You can check that this is, you can see a value here 1, a value 1, a observe here, a is 1 and p is 3. Correct, you can verify this. So the answer is pi, that's all. Check that whenever this is standard problem, remember that the answer is pi. So this is the first option of our answer. That will be our answer, pi. Correct. Let's you see the next problem. Suppose the given integral. This problem is given. You tell me your answer now. Integral 1 to 3. See the next problem. Integral 1 to 3. Root of x minus 1 into 3 minus x dx. Think about this one. If it is like this. So what's your answer? In this case, what's your answer here? You can think about when they are given this one, what can you expect it your answer? They will give pi by 8, they are given answer here. So pi by 8 and they are given like 4 pi by 3 and they are given answer is here. They have written here like pi by 2 and they are given here pi. These are the answers is given. Think they are given 1, 2, 3 root of x minus 1 into 3 minus x dx. Can you think anyone that answer? Yeah, perfect Anurag. The answer is pi, the previous one. Now think about the next one, this one. You can see this answer, you can think. Now when I am looking this one, 1, 2, 3 root of x minus 3 minus x dx. When they are given this. Here also we have one standard problem. You remember the previous, this is also standard one here. So this we have used this one to say this answer pi. Similarly, we have the standard one. You remember here, integral a to b root of x minus a into b minus x dx always equal to, this answer will be, I can write this answer as standard one, pi by 8 into b minus a whole square. Pi by 8 into b minus a whole square. You can compare a value 1, b value 3. So this answer will be pi by 8 into, you can write 3 minus 1 whole square. So it will be pi by 8 into 3 minus 1, 2 square is 4. It will be pi by 2. That will be your answer. Answer is pi by 2. Correct? Easily you can write your answer. That will be pi by 2. So compare with this. So 3 minus 1, 2. 2 square 4. Answer is pi by 8. Your answer is pi by 8. Like this we can write your answers quickly, directly. We can write your answers. It won't take much time, right? We can write directly the answers. Correct? I hope you understood this right. Suppose sometime using the same concept, the problem they may give, another we can see now, another question now. Integral 2 to 3. Integral 2 to 3. Integral 2 to 3. 2 minus x. 2 minus x by root of 5x. Root of 5x minus 6 minus x square dx. You think this problem. 2 to 3. They are given 2 minus x by 5x minus 6 minus x square. So these are all simple logic problems. They are given this. Answer is given pi by 2. They are asking what about the result here? They are asking pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi by 3 and pi. What is the answer here? These are the options they are given. So the simple technique what we'll do here, just you find the factors of 5x minus 6 minus x square. What are the factors of this 5x minus 6 minus x square? You find the factors of this. You can write by convenient. X square minus 5x plus 6. I can write this one. So this one again, this is x minus 2 into x minus 3 minus of x minus 2 into x minus 3, correct? These are the factors of this. But here 2 minus x we have this one. But according to our formula, what I will do now here, this I can write x minus 2. Multiply with negative here, 3 minus x. Sir, why sir? The previous problem is see 1, 2, 3. X minus a into b minus x. Always we want this concept. X minus a into b minus x. Same thing. X minus a is 2. B is 3. So x b minus x I want. 3 minus x I should convert like this. X minus 2 into 3 minus x. I should convert x by 3 minus. Sir, why can't you multiply here? Because I am following this formula, right? That is that is a to b root of x b minus x. Always you make it any problem, the factors you make it x minus b minus, because you see lower limit is 2, upper limit is 3. I want in this form. The purpose I will tell you now. Of writing this problem will be here to x minus 2. You take minus common here. If you take minus integral 2 to 3, this will become x minus 2 by, correct? You take this one minus common. I can take this as I have taken minus common. But minus outside x minus 2. So root of this will become x minus 2 into 3 minus x. Now you see the concept is here. This is we know this is x minus root x minus 2. This one can write minus 2 to 3. This minus I can write here. This one only 2 to 3. So now I can write this one into minus this one integral 2 to 3. Can I write root of x minus 2 by 3 minus x dx. This is dx I can write. This will be dx. When I have written like this, see that this is like root of x minus a by b minus x. Why I have written like this? We have formula here. Do you remember? I will tell you the formula now. Just right side I will write the formula here. Check that. Integral a to b. Integral a to b. Root of x minus a by b minus x. If it is like this. Integral a to b. Root of x minus a by b minus x dx. Concept is important here. Integral a to b. root of, when I have written root of x b minus x, this is root of x minus a by b minus x dx, and also equal to integral a to b root of b minus x, root of b minus x by x minus a, same thing here, always x minus a only, b minus x by x minus a dx. So when these two are equal, the answer is always, remember these two are equal, pi by 2 into b minus a, that will be your answer, pi by 2 b minus a. Now you can tell your answer, this will be pi by 2 into, what is b value, 3, here minus is there outside, minus 3 minus b minus a, 3 minus 2, your answer will be minus pi by 2. So how we got minus, because you have taken minus common here, they are given minus and minus pi by 2, your answer is minus pi by 2. So this is your answer. Right? Minus pi by 2 is your answer. Minus, most important problem, minus pi by 2 is your answer. Correct? I hope you understood this. Concepts are important. Directly you can write your answers. Remember the standard equations, you remember. What I told you, remember the standard equations, then using this we can write your answers. So these are standard equations, right? Right, that is standard equations, right? Is it clear? Understood, my dears? Is it clear? Understood that what I have done? Please try to understand that concept, most important concepts. I am doing that. Try to understand that concept. Simple logic. Directly you can write your answers. Right. Now you can see the next problem. I hope this is clear. 2 to 3, 2 minus root of 5x minus 6 minus x square. Right. See, now I can also think about this one. Okay. Next, I come to the next problem now. See, the next one, I am doing the next one. The concept of this integral 0 to pi by 2, 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 root to cot x by root to cot x plus root to tan x dx. So this concept is given pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4. So these are standard problems. 0 to pi by 2, root cot x by root tan x, root cot x dx. Always your answer is, we can mark here, this is a pi by 4. Your answer is pi by 4. Because whenever this function is like this, answer is this upper limit by 2. Answer will be pi by 4. So that will be your answer is pi by 4. No doubt in that, answer is pi by 4. Right answer is pi by 4 here. So again you decide. This is the concept you can write. This is the root cot x. F of understood here. Because we have one of the property we discussed about this. So the function I can write. This is a like 0 to pi by 2. What is the function 0 to pi by 2? F of cot x or tan x I can write. F of cot x. You can think. F of cot x. So you can write this one. F of cot x by f of cot x plus f of tan x dx. Answer always will be pi by 4. Here either f of cot x or f of tan x is pi by 4 only. So that is the reason answer is pi by 4. Correct. Now you can solve the problem. You can write. See this problem. The value of the integral 3 to 6. Next one. The value integral 3 to 6. Integral 3 to 6, integral 3 to 6 root x by the function here, root of 9 minus x plus root x dx. this value they are given here. They are given 3 by 2. The options are 3 by 2, 2, 1, 1 by 2. These are the options. See, in this problem, you can observe here 3 to root x by root of 9 minus x root x dx. But if you check the logic here, in this problem, here also answer you can tell you this. When they are given like this, limits a to b, your answer here always directly. When sum of these two, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9. When 6 plus 3 is 9, then your answer will become here, your answer is equal to 6 minus 3 by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit by 2 your answer. Upper limit minus lower limit by 2, it comes answer is 3 by 2. So this will be your answer. Whenever this 9 is sum of these two. Because this 9 is, I can write 3 plus 6. Then our answer will be 6 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So how can you say like that? I will tell you the technique now. So this problem I can write answer upper limit minus lower limit by 2, 3 by 2. The idea is suppose integral, I will tell you the now. What I should remember here. Suppose integral a to b, f of x by the given f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx, if they are given like this. So in this case, you can think the answer, you can think. When they are given like this, the combination is given like this. So everyone you can think about the answer. In this combination, what's your answer here? A to B, the combination is given. The combination is given. Directly you can write your answers. Right? So in this concept, always you can write your answers. F of you can write this one. So you will get b minus a. You will get b minus a by 2. This will be b minus a by 2. It comes. Answer will be b minus a by 2. No doubt in that. You can write b minus a by 2. So that will be easy to write that concept. It will come b minus a by 2. Right? When they are given that concept, answer will be b minus a by 2. Same way you can think about that. Why? Because to solve the problem, simple concept. Why I am telling you, how can you say that is b minus a by 2? Correct? You apply the property of replace x with a plus b minus x. Here also a plus b minus x. It will become, you will get, I can use 2y is equal to x dx. Then automatically you will get, because 1 dx, it will become x, apply the limit b minus a by 2. 6 minus 3 by 2. Sir, I have doubt this one. Suppose this problem is given another way. Suppose the formula is given integral a to b. Integral a to b. See the given integral a to b. So check the same thing. This is 9 means 3 plus 6 minus x. A plus b minus x. A to b. F of a plus b minus x by f of x plus of f of a plus b minus x. In this case, what's your answer? In this case also you can think the answer is same thing. Your answer is b minus a by 2. So you can write this is a plus b minus x. In this case your answer is b minus a by 2, no change. Either f of x or f of a plus b minus x. Your answer is b minus a by 2. Use this technique to solve the problem. Suppose sometime a may 0. If a is 0, you think this will be f of b minus x by f of you will get only f of b minus x. You can apply like that. When a equal to 0, b by 2 will answer. When a equal to b by 2 answer, it comes. Correct. For example, when I have written the problem here, see again write 0 to 4 I will write 0 to 4. For example, I will write like this, root of 4 minus x by root x plus root 4 minus x. Tell me your answer now. When they are given like this, what's your answer here? So you can think, what will be the answer for that? Think that problem, what I given now, integral 0 to 4, root of 4 minus x by root x plus root of 4 minus x dx. Now you can think about the answer for that. Anyone, can you suggest me answer for that problem here? I have written here, this is dx. It will be dx. Look into compare with this. Tell me your answer now. What will be answer for this? Just tell me in the chat box. Let me know what is the answer for this. Integral 0 to 4, root of 4 minus x by root x plus root of 4 minus x dx. Then what's your answer here? Anyone? Can you tell me the answer for that? Right? Yeah, perfect, exactly, that is to answer, correct. Good, excellent then. Good, you can do that. Right. The answer is 2. So immediately we can tell the answers. Now see the next problem. What is the next problem? You can see they are asking, the concept is here, you can write. If I1 is equal to the given I1 is equal to the value of I1, they mention I1 is equal to x into the given the function here. See, just I1 is equal to integral 1 to 2 x into root x plus root 3 minus 6 dx. This is I1 and I2 is given. What is I2 is equal to the given I2 is integral 1 to 2 root x plus root of 3 minus 6 dx. They given these two. Then I1 by I2. What is I1 by I2? The given answer 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 and 1. So this is a given problem. So just think about this problem. When they are given this problem, now you can observe here, when they are given this problem, simple problem, nothing, don't confuse, very simple problem. Very easy to solve this problem. I1, I2 is given. They are asking, that is, what is I1 by I2? I1 by I2 is given. The options are 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2, 1. So this is here then I1 by I2. So what I will do now? So I will take I1 is equal to integral 1 to 2. So the given one integral, the limits is given, right? Integral 1 to 2 is given. Correct. Now you can see that the given integral 1 to 2 means I can write like formula. I will do one thing. I will tell you here. Just you remember integral a to b f of x dx always equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Correct, f of a plus b minus x dx. You can observe here. I can write this one. Integral a to b f of x a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, right? So remember this one. So what I am saying here, this is a property here. A to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Correct? I can write this one, right? Is clear that one, right? A to b f of x dx equal to a to b f of a plus b dx. This is one of the property. A to f of a plus b minus x dx. Same thing I can write. Replace here a to b. X replace with 3 minus x in the problem. I1 replace x with a plus b minus x. So a plus b 2 plus 1. So 3 minus x. The bracket here again, root of 3 minus x. In the place of x you are writing 3 minus x. It will be root 3, right? Sorry. In the place of x 3 minus x, it will be root x. Correct. You understood here, because a plus b minus x you should replace. So this will become a root x dx. What I have done here, in the place of x you have taken a plus b minus x, that means 1 plus 2 minus x, you replace it this. We got like this. Now this one I can expand this one. So this one, just integral 1 to 2. 3 into, I can expand this. This will be easy now. Correct. I have taken I1 this one. I can write this one. Integral 1 to 2. 3 into root of 3 minus x plus root x. This is one limit I can consider. Minus 1 to 2. This one. x into root of 3 minus x plus root x dx. I can consider like this, x into. So this is given problem, this is I1 only, right? You see this is I1. See this is in the beginning I1, we have this one. I1, 1 to 2 x root x plus root of 3 minus x, this is I1. This is I1, right? So now 3 I can take it out, this is I2, you can take 3. Just after 3 you take it out, this is I2. This is 3I2 minus this is I1. I got I1 equal to 3I2 minus I1. Then transfer this side. 2I1 is equal to 3I2. Then I1 by I2 is equal to 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Correct? I will get answer is 3 by 2. You can mark the options 3 by 2. Right, this is our answer is 3 by, this is your answer, 3 by 2 is your answer. That will be 3 by 2. I hope you understood that the answer is 3 by 2. Perfect. So this problem is simple. Thus you should know how to simplify that. The concept very simple concept. Right. Now I am going to explain the problems related to even and odd functions. Just another 4 to 5 minutes. Here the function, the problems related to even and odd functions. See this problem, you can write u to integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. You can see the problem. Problem related to even and odd function. You can write this one. I can express integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 e power sin inverse x e to the power of, I can write e power sin inverse x into sin to the power of 2n plus 1 x dx. This is sin to the power of sin to the power of 2n plus 1 dx. So 2n plus 1 x dx. This is the problem answer. 0 pi by 2 1, 0 pi by 2 1, and the answer is given. This is pi. Pi, which option is right? Minus e power sin inverse x sin of 2n plus 1 x dx. Check this function. What about this function here? Whenever minus a to a, verify even or odd. That's all, even or odd. The function I can consider, this is the function I can consider, f of x equal to e power sin inverse x sin power 2n plus 1 x dx. This is, you can take f of x. Verify the given function is even or odd. That is important. So replace x with minus x, e power minus x. If you replace e power sin inverse of minus x, sin inverse of, you replace x with, you can write sin inverse of minus x, right? Just replace x with, I can write sin inverse of minus x. This will be sin of, you can think, sin of 2n plus 1, sin of minus x whole power 2n plus 1. Correct? It comes like this. Now think the function. Okay, I am going to verify this is even odd function. Right? Now you can say this one. What about this one? What about e power sin inverse of minus x? Because they are given e power, they are given this one like minus pi by 2 to, sorry, this one not sin inverse, this is given sin square x is given here, e power sin square x. Sorry, this one you make it e power sin square, this is e power sin square x. E power sin square x means I can write sin of minus x whole square. Correct? E power sin square x. This will become e power minus sin x whole square. It will become sin square x. Sin of minus x minus sin x whole power 2n plus an odd number. It comes negative, right? This is sin square x. I change this to sin square x. Sine square x. Sine of minus x whole square. Minus sine x whole square. It will be sine square x. The minus odd number. It comes negative. Minus e power sine square x. It will be a sine of 2n plus 1x. So this function is minus f of x. So f of x is an odd function. Correct? The function is odd function. When the function is odd, you know this result is 0, right? When the function is odd, answer is 0, right? Because since the function is odd, because given function, this function is odd. So this function is odd function. So answer is 0. This is your answer. Since the given function is odd function, the result will be 0. Just you can verify that. Minus pi by 2 pi by 2 e power sine square x sine power 2n plus 1 x. Replace x with minus x. Since we got minus f of x is an odd function. We got the result this one. Since odd function, the result will be 0. I hope you understood that. Is clear. Got the point here? Try to understand. Should I repeat this even and odd function? I verified the function is odd. That's the reason the result will be 0. Because this model definitely they are asking. Using the concept of even and odd function, always you should familiar. Frequently they are asking this type of problems. Now, the last problem. Today's session, the last problem, I will complete with this last problem. Just go through the last problem now. So with the today's session, I will complete this. Now you can see the integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Log of 2 minus sine theta by 2 plus sine theta. 2 plus sine theta. This is a given problem. This is 2 minus sine theta by 2 plus sine theta. Verify this function d theta. Options is given 0, 1, 2 minus 1. The given. Preferably always find out logarithm combination. Always remember, when the given logarithm combination, always it gives odd function. Always it gives odd function. I will verify now. Whenever they given logarithm combination, always the function you can expect odd function. Since when it is odd function, the result will be 0 always. The result. I will explain how can I say that function is odd function. I can explain that. How can I say that function is odd function? Just it takes only 1 or 2 minutes to explain that function is odd function. Just you see now, I will explain that how it is odd function. You can consider the function let f of theta is equal to, because in terms of theta, this function is, you can consider f of theta is equal to log of 2 minus sine theta by 2 plus sine theta. Now you have to verify, replace theta with minus theta. So this will become log of 2 minus sine of minus theta by 2 plus sine of minus theta. It comes like this. Because I am verifying whether even or odd. But always, most of the time, logarithmic function always gives odd function. So you see log of, this will become 2 sine of minus sine theta. It will become 2 plus sine theta by, this will become 2 minus sine theta. Check that you got this one, compare with this one. So compare with this one and this one, I have reciprocal. Right? But we know that correct. Just I am giving an example. Think about example. Suppose they are given log of a by b. So if I written this one, I can write log of the reverse I can write. They given, you see this function is reverse here. Log of 2 plus sine theta by 2 minus sine theta. So this one if I write reverse, I can write this expression equal to, I can write log of 2 minus sine theta by 2 plus sine theta whole power minus 1. Correct? Make it, this is because you compare this and this. This will be whole power minus 1. So whole power minus 1 means then I can write this one. Just observe, since it is whole power minus 1, so I can express this This function I can write minus logarithm property. This minus 1 I can hold here. Correct, you will get minus log of, you will get 2 minus sine theta by 2 plus sine theta. So this will become minus f of theta. So what is this function? When I got minus f of theta, then I can say the given function is odd function. So given function is odd function, right? The function is odd function. Which one? F of theta is odd function. So this function is odd. Correct. I can write that function is odd, right? So the given that function is odd. Then if the function is odd, I can say what's your answer now? Think about it. Tell me the function is odd, the output will be right. I have written this function. I can see now. You can see now that when I am talking about this one, since this function is odd function, this is odd function. So the answer will be 0. So answer is this, correct. Since odd function, answer is 0. This is your answer, right? 0 is your answer. So the function is odd. Generally, many times if you observe, logarithmic function always comes odd function only. You can observe that. You can practice 2-3 problems like this. You can decide the given function is odd function. The result will be 0. I think you understood this concept of even and odd function. The next session I am going to continue even and odd function and periodicity problems. I can do that. Then thank you. See you in the next session. Next class we will meet you. Thank you. If anyone have doubt, particular question I can tell, you can tell me. I can repeat again. In the chat box, please. If you ask, I can repeat the problem. If you want, I can explain. Good. Right. If you are okay, then no issue, I can explain that. Then good then. See you next class.